Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this Audi A4 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the lens looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPA properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight lens. So we're going to need two solutions. We're going to need our slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water, and our second solution, which is our tack solution, which contains isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. So for the first solution, we're going to use our slip and just apply it to the lens. And with a clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. And make sure to clean off the surrounding area. That way, in case the tint does touch anywhere else other than the lens, it doesn't catch any contaminants. And then for our tack solution, we're going to spray just a little bit onto the lens. And just clean off the lens. This will help remove any oils, any coatings that the headlight may have. And you could have the hood a little bit open, that way you're able to access the top section here and clean it as well. Okay, so once we finish prepping the headlight, now we can start with the installation. So apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And we want to start by aligning the tint to this edge of the headlight. So make sure it's on the edge right there. Grab your tack solution and just spray it on the edge underneath the film. And then on top, that way your squeegee is able to glide when we tack it down. So hold it in position, grab your squeegee and tack this area down. Make sure to remove all the solution underneath the film. Double check and see if it's secured. Once this is secured, now we just need to do a light stretch to reach to this end right there. Okay, so now that we secured this piece here, we need to make sure to stretch the film until we reach to this edge and down here as well. So we're going to stretch down and up at the same time. So apply slip solution underneath the film, and you can start applying tack solution as well on the edges here. That way the film starts tacking down on this area as we stretch. So stretch it going this way and then up to remove this deep fingers. So it should be like this. You should have little small fingers, not too big. Hold it for a couple seconds. So see here, the tint should cover the top lens here. So hold it, grab your tack solution and spray it on top. That way your squeegee is able to start tacking down the film. Secure this area, hold this piece here, and start tacking it down as well. Make sure this is covering the top lens. So adjust it as needed. And make sure to remove all of the solution underneath the film. That way we don't have any bubbles left over during the install. Okay, and now to remove these fingers here on the top and on this section here, you're going to use your heat gun or a hair dryer and your tack solution. So spray tack solution where you see those fingers. Apply heat. You can use the low setting for this part. And apply it, that way the fingers start to shrink. Once you apply heat, we're going to wrap our microfiber towel around our squeegee and start tagging it down. Squeegee at an angle to secure the fingers. And it should be flat like this. Pretty simple. And just make sure to remove the solution on the top, and that's pretty much it. And now once we finish with the installation, we'll move on to the last step, which is post heating the headlight. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation for the headlight is to post heat the entire film. So all you're going to do is just grab your tack solution and spray it on the surface of the lens, and we're going to use our heat gun or a hair dryer and apply heat evenly throughout the entire headlight. you can use the lowest setting or the high setting. Just be careful if you do use the high setting to focus and apply heat evenly throughout the entire headlight. Make sure you're not in one area for too long, because if you are, you will burn the film. So focus around the edges and apply heat evenly. And then once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the Audi A4. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.